just knocked on my door just like that, which is a blessing. Hey you, I really appreciate you for watching me right now. I'm here today for product review. I received two different products from two different companies. So if you would like to see what I received, just stay tuned and let's get started. So the first package I'm going to open is from this company called JustBe. They make different type of hair product. Let's just open this and see what we got here. Ooh, these are beautiful. This is what I got here. They are hair accessories. I love hair accessories. I love these. They are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with the colors. I'm in love with the colors. They are beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yeah, this is cute. So let's open it. In this package I have they sent me 4 pieces, and each pieces is really well packed. You see, each pieces is in different package by itself. So this is the first one. Ooh, this is beautiful. I love this. I'm in love with this. Let me just take everything out of the pack so I can show you. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this is beautiful, and this even match my makeup and my outfit. So let me just put this in. I love hair accessory. Yes, this is gorgeous. This is like, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I can imagine some nice ponytail and you just stick this to it, you're good to go. This is really beautiful. I'm going to leave the link down below. Don't hesitate to check them out. They have good prices. They have sale going on right now. Just make sure you check them out. And the name is JustBe. JustBe. You know when you put this on, you just want to be yourself. Just be me. You know, yeah, this is cute. I love it. Check them out, and thank you so much for sending me these hair accessories. And the second package, let me open the second package here. You will see me with this again for sure. So yeah, and this second package is from this company called Duvolle brand Inc. And they make some high quality as well of beauty product. Any type of beauty product, name it, they have it. So let's just open this and see what we got in here. Ooh, yes, this is beauty product. Oh, I'm in love with this one. And guys, this is just a blessing to me, because I have one of these that I have been using for years. It's not from this company, it's from a different company, and I was feeling like it's time for me to get another one. And see, another one just knocked on my door just like that, which is a blessing. This is like a body brush. If you have a sensitive skin and you don't want nothing hard on your body, you can just use this for your body brush. You can also use it for your face. You know, you don't have to use it for the body necessarily. You can also use this for your face. And this is a base. This is the base where you can connect all this little stuff in order to use it. This right here, these two, if you want to exfoliate it, they give you a choice of having one for exfoliation and also another one for cleansing, which is good. And this right here is like a stone, like a stone. I can call it like a stone brush or something. You know, we never know. You can need something hard. You can need something like a stone for any part of your body. It can be your feet, you know, especially your feet. You might love this for your feet. So I really love this set. So this is a good set. I really love it. I also love the fact that the base has a hole here just to hang it on something, and you just connect this together and zzz. So this is where the battery goes. Just insert 2 batteries here and it's good to go. I wish I have a battery now and I can just zzz for you. But I do not have a battery, and next time I will definitely have a battery. And I have a coupon code for you guys from this company. They have 70% off going on right now on all styling tool and radiance skincare system. So make sure you check them out. The link are going to be in the description box below. I will definitely make another video and show you guys how I'm using this. I'm in love with this. Thank you so much for these two companies. I really appreciate you guys for reaching out to me. I love this product. Thank you so much. I have a video coming up on how I'm going to use this for my morning or night routine when I put a battery in. So thank you so much guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, peace out.